Okay, let's say we are creating a program that allow user to enter the password, right? So to input a password, but the password, it must be a combination of numbers or letters. And to achieve that, we just need to call is our num, all right? So this stands for is alphanumeric. Now let me run this application. Okay, so it turned out to be true because the string here, right? It is all numeric. Or we can also use the combination with the letters as well. It's from A to Z, right? So let's just say ABC and run it again. It turned out to be true again. And I can also use capital letter as well, right? So ABCZ, run it again, and it is true. This method will check if the string here is a combination of numbers and letters, or it can be either one of them. If that's the case, then why do I need to use this method? That's because if you are using random symbol, let's say like that, and if you run again, it will turn out to be false. So this is not alphanumeric. Or if the string here contain like space, okay, then run it again, it also false. So it will check if the number is from number 0 to 9, right? Or it can be from A to Z as well, X, Y, Z. And this will be true. So yep, that is what the method does.